Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict if Intc stock is about to explode. Intel Corporation, one of the biggest names in tech, has been a significant player in the semiconductor industry for decades. Their stock, Intc, has been a popular choice among investors, but lately, it's been facing some tough times. With the ever-evolving tech landscape, it's essential to examine the current state of Intel and what the future might hold for its stock. Intel's been struggling with stiff competition from rivals like AMD and Nvidia. These competitors have been gaining traction, and Intel's market share has taken a hit. Their latest products, while innovative, have had a lukewarm reception, and investors are worried about their ability to keep up. Adding to the pressure is the global chip shortage, which has affected Intel's production and revenue. The company has also been dealing with technological hurdles, particularly in their transition to 7 nanometers and 5 nanometers processes. These delays have made it challenging for them to compete with their rivals, who have been quicker to adapt. As a result, Intel's stock price has been under significant pressure, leaving investors questioning their future prospects. Another challenge Intel faces is the threat of disruption from emerging technologies. With the rise of AI, 5G, and the Internet of Things, the semiconductor industry is undergoing a significant transformation. Intel needs to innovate and adapt quickly to stay relevant. If they fail to do so, their stock could suffer even more. Recent news has shown that Intel is making efforts to revamp its strategy, including significant investments in research and development, as well as exploring new markets. Their financial reports have been mixed, with some positive signs, but overall, the company is still navigating a tough environment. Industry trends suggest that the semiconductor market is on the path to recovery, but it's uncertain whether Intel will be able to capitalize on this trend. The company has some promising projects in the pipeline, including their upcoming line of GPUs and CPUs. These product launches could act as catalysts for change, potentially boosting their stock price. Additionally, Intel's efforts to expand its manufacturing capabilities and diversify its revenue streams could help stabilize their stock. Analyzing Intel's current situation, it's clear that their stock is at a crossroads. If they're able to successfully navigate their challenges and capitalize on emerging trends, their stock could see a significant surge. However, if they fail to adapt and continue to lose market share, their stock might continue to struggle. In the near future, investors will be closely watching Intel's product launches and financial performance. Any positive developments could act as a trigger for a stock price explosion. Conversely, any setbacks could lead to further declines. To sum it up, Intel's stock is facing a lot of uncertainty, and its future performance will depend on several factors. The company needs to execute on its plans and adapt to the changing tech landscape to regain investor confidence. What do you think about Intel's stock? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in more insights on tech stocks, be sure to check out my next video.